Over 60? 4 hazardous seeds to avoid and 4 essential seeds to include in your diet. Senior nutrition tips. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell for more senior nutrition tips. And if you find these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. It really helps others find this information. As we age, our bodies change. Muscle mass declines, digestion slows, and chronic conditions become more common. Good nutrition is more important than ever, and seeds are one of the simplest yet most powerful sources of daily nutrition that many seniors overlook. But here's the twist. Not all seeds are safe or beneficial. Some contain compounds that can irritate your digestion or even cause toxicity in excess. In today's video, we're counting down 4 hazardous seeds to avoid and 4 essential seeds to include in your diet for optimal health after 60. Make sure to watch till the end to catch our number 1 worst seed and our number 1 must-eat seed. You might be shocked by both. 4 hazardous seeds to avoid. Number 4, apple seeds. Yes, the little seeds inside your apples. Apple seeds contain a compound called amygdalin that can release cyanide when digested. Now, munching one by accident won't drop you like Snow White. A few accidental seeds likely won't harm a healthy person, but you definitely don't want to make a snack of them. Especially for seniors with slower metabolism or weaker liver function, regularly consuming apple seeds could be dangerous. Why risk even a little cyanide in your diet, right? So, as tasty as that apple core might be, if you're one of those people who eats the core, it's best to spit out the seeds. An apple a day may keep the doctor away, but apple seeds might send you running to the doctor if you're not careful. Fun fact, you'd have to eat a huge number of apple seeds at once to get seriously ill. But let's not test that, okay? And if you like making homemade juice or smoothies with whole apples, be sure to remove the cores first. Now, you might be thinking, who actually eats apple seeds on purpose? Fair point. Most of us don't. But coming up next is a seed you probably do eat. And if it's not cooked right, it can cause chaos in your stomach. Any guesses? On to number 3. Number 3. Raw kidney beans. Undercooked beans. Surprise! Beans are seeds too. This one's probably in your chili recipe. If not cooked properly, kidney beans can make you very sick. They contain a toxin called phytohemagglutinin. Try saying that 3 times fast, which can cause intense nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. And it doesn't take many to wreak havoc. Just 4 or 5 raw or undercooked kidney beans can trigger poisoning symptoms within hours. For seniors with sensitive digestion, this is especially risky. There have even been outbreaks of food poisoning when chili or stew was made with beans that weren't fully cooked. Imagine bringing your chili to a potluck and accidentally sending everyone home sick because the beans were undercooked. The lesson here, always cook your beans thoroughly. Soak them, boil them, whatever it takes, just don't eat them raw. Even slow cooking can be problematic if the temperature doesn't get high enough to destroy the toxin, so be cautious with slow cookers. If that makes you eye your slow cooker suspiciously, wait till you hear number 2. It's a seed some people actually eat on purpose, thinking it's a health remedy, but it can be downright dangerous. Number 2. Apricot kernels and cherry pits. Now we're talking about the seeds inside certain fruits. Apricot kernels, the seeds inside apricot pits, have been touted by some fringe health folks as a natural cancer cure, sometimes nicknamed vitamin B 17-inch. But spoiler alert, that's bogus and dangerous. These kernels, as well as cherry pits, contain amygdalin, the same cyanide-releasing compound from apple seeds, but in a much higher concentration. Health authorities have warned that eating apricot seeds can lead to lethal cyanide poisoning. Just 3 small apricot kernels, or half of 1 large kernel, can exceed safe cyanide levels for an adult. For a small child, even 1 kernel could be very dangerous. Some sellers of apricot products have even encouraged consuming 10 or more kernels a day as a treatment, a recipe for disaster, not a cure. So if you ever see bitter apricot kernels sold as a health food, stay away. Some cultures nibble on a few for their bitter almond-like taste, but it's not worth the risk. The bottom line, enjoy apricots and cherries, but never eat their pits or seeds. We've covered cyanide and a nasty bean toxin so far. What's left? How about one of the deadliest natural poisons on Earth? The number one seed to avoid is coming up, and it's so notorious it's been used in spy novels. Number 1. Castor beans. Castor seeds. Meet the infamous castor bean. You might know castor oil, a home remedy for various things, but the raw castor seeds themselves are incredibly toxic. They contain ricin, one of the most potent poisons found in nature. How bad is it? If you chew and swallow even a single castor bean, you could get seriously ill. A few seeds can potentially be fatal to an adult. Ricin can cause organ failure and death within days if ingested. Scary, right? There's even a real-life Cold War story where ricin from a castor bean was used to assassinate someone via a poison-tipped umbrella. Fortunately, accidental ricin poisoning is very rare. Most folks aren't snacking on castor beans. And by the way, castor oil is not poisonous like the raw seed. The oil is processed to remove the ricin, so don't panic if you have some at home. Just never chew on the actual seeds. Even one is one too many. Now that we've covered the scary stuff, if you're finding this video useful, hit the like button and share it with a friend who might benefit. And if you haven't yet, subscribe for more content like this. Alright, deep breath. Let's move on to the good stuff. 4 essential seeds to include in your diet. Number 4. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds are packed with nutrients that are great for older adults. They're especially high in vitamin E and selenium. Just 1 ounce of shelled sunflower seeds provides almost half your day's vitamin E and about 40% of your selenium needs. Vitamin E protects your cells from age-related damage, and selenium supports your immune system and thyroid function. Sunflower seeds also provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all great for heart health. For seniors, they're a simple, powerful snack. Choose unsalted ones to avoid excess sodium. Sprinkle them on salads, stir into oatmeal, or enjoy a small handful daily. Sunflower seeds are great for your heart, but what seed might help you sleep better at night? Our next pick is known for that, and it's especially popular in the fall. Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are the unsung heroes of the seed world. They might not have the hype of chia or flax, but make no mistake. These little green gems are packed with nutrients that can make a big difference in your overall health, especially after 60. Let's start with their star nutrient, magnesium. Just a single 1 ounce handful, about 2 tablespoons, delivers around 150 milligrams of magnesium, nearly 40% of your daily requirement. That's huge, because magnesium plays a role in more than 300 biochemical processes in the body. It supports muscle function, helps maintain a steady heart rhythm, keeps bones strong, and even contributes to better sleep quality. Yet many seniors don't get enough of it, which can lead to restless legs, muscle cramps, or even heart palpitations. Pumpkin seeds also provide about 2 to 3 milligrams of zinc per serving, a mineral that's critical for a healthy immune system, wound healing, and vision support. Zinc levels tend to drop with age, so pepitas can be an easy and tasty way to fill that gap. But there's more. These seeds are one of the few plant foods rich in tryptophan, an amino acid your body uses to make serotonin, for mood, and melatonin, for sleep. So yes, that handful of pumpkin seeds before bed might actually help you rest easier. Think of them as a bedtime snack that fights insomnia instead of causing it. And for men over 60, pumpkin seeds offer an extra bonus. Studies have shown that pumpkin seed extract can help ease prostate-related symptoms, including urinary issues linked to benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. The combination of zinc, antioxidants, and plant compounds seems to support healthy prostate function naturally. As for how to enjoy them, snack on them raw or roasted, sprinkle them over soups, salads, oatmeal, or yogurt, or mix them into homemade trail mix. Just keep an eye on the salt. Many store-bought versions are heavily salted, and you don't need the extra sodium. Small, crunchy, and full of benefits, pumpkin seeds deserve a permanent spot in your pantry. They're not flashy, but they quietly support your heart, muscles, immune system, and even your sleep. Not bad for something that once lived inside a jack-o'-lantern. We're getting closer to the top of our list. Next up is a seed that absorbs water like a sponge and was once famous for growing hair on clay figurines. You guessed it, number 2 is up next. Number 2, chia seeds. Chia seeds may be tiny, but they're absolute nutritional powerhouses. For something smaller than a grain of rice, these little seeds pack an incredible punch when it comes to fiber, minerals, and heart-healthy fats. In fact, just 1 ounce of chia, about 2 tablespoons, delivers nearly 10 grams of fiber. That's more than most people get in an entire day. Fiber is one of the keys to healthy aging, and chia is one of the simplest ways to get more of it. The fiber in chia is both soluble and insoluble, which means it supports digestion, prevents constipation, and helps regulate blood sugar levels. When soaked, chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like texture. This slows digestion, keeps you feeling full longer, and helps the body stay hydrated. A huge benefit for seniors who tend to drink less water throughout the day. Beyond fiber, chia seeds are packed with plant-based omega-3 fatty acids, which protect the heart and lower inflammation, just like flax. They also contain impressive amounts of calcium, magnesium, and antioxidants. In fact, 2 tablespoons of chia have more calcium than half a cup of milk. For older adults, that's a major plus. Stronger bones, better muscle function, and improved heart rhythm. And here's another bonus. Chia seeds are naturally gluten-free and incredibly versatile. You can mix them into yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a quick fiber boost, or even bake them into muffins or energy bars. One of the most popular ways to enjoy them is by making chia pudding. Simply soak a few tablespoons in milk or almond milk overnight, add a little honey or cinnamon, and by morning you'll have a delicious, creamy breakfast packed with nutrients. Just one important rule: never swallow chia seeds dry. Because they absorb so much liquid, they can expand and cause discomfort if eaten without water or another fluid. Always let them hydrate first. That's what makes them safe, satisfying, and effective. Chia might be small, but it's mighty. It supports digestion, strengthens bones, and keeps your heart beating strong, all in one spoonful. And now, the top seed of all. It's tiny, ancient, and a true heart hero. Here's number 1. Number 1, flax seeds. Flax seeds, also known as linseeds, may be tiny, but they pack an impressive nutritional punch. Don't be fooled by their size. These little seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, lignans, and fiber, making them one of the best all-around foods for senior health. Just 1 tablespoon provides nearly 2 grams of plant-based omega-3s, the same type of healthy fat found in fish like salmon. Those omega-3s help lower inflammation, protect your heart, and keep blood vessels flexible, a big win as we age. But that's not all. Flaxseed has been shown to lower LDL, or bad, cholesterol, and in some cases can even help reduce blood pressure slightly. That means better circulation, less strain on the heart, and a stronger cardiovascular system overall. If you're watching your numbers, flaxseed might just become your new breakfast buddy. Now let's talk digestion, an area where flax really shines. Thanks to its unique blend of soluble and insoluble fiber, it works as a gentle, natural laxative. For seniors who deal with occasional constipation or irregularity, flaxseed can help keep things moving, comfortably and naturally. It also helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a great option for anyone managing prediabetes or diabetes. Flaxseed's lignans, which are natural plant compounds with antioxidant properties, may also help balance hormones and support healthy aging, particularly for women over 60. They're one of the most concentrated sources of lignans found in any food, offering benefits that go beyond digestion and heart health. Here's the key though, you have to eat them ground. Whole flax seeds often pass right through your system undigested, meaning you don't get the benefits. Ground flax releases all those nutrients, making it easier for your body to absorb. Add a tablespoon to your morning cereal, yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothie every day. It's simple, affordable, and blends easily with almost any food. Be sure to store ground flaxseed in the fridge or freezer to keep it fresh, since its healthy oils can go rancid at room temperature. And always drink plenty of water. Flax absorbs moisture, and hydration helps it do its job. To put it into perspective, one 67-year-old woman added a tablespoon of flax to her smoothie and sprinkled pumpkin seeds on her salad every day. Within a month, she noticed better digestion, deeper sleep, and improved cholesterol levels. A small change, big rewards. And there you have it. The 4 seeds to avoid and the 4 seeds to make friends with after 60. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? Something so tiny can have such a powerful effect on your body, for better or worse. These little nutritional powerhouses can help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, boost energy, and even keep your joints feeling younger than your birth certificate says. But here's the key. Even the good guys work best in moderation. A couple of tablespoons a day is plenty to reap the benefits without overloading your system. Seeds may be small, but they're dense in fiber and healthy fats, so a little really does go a long way. Sprinkle them on yogurt, oatmeal, or salads. Toss them in a smoothie, or just grab a spoonful as a quick snack. The goal isn't to go seed crazy. It's to build a simple, sustainable habit that your body will thank you for. By cutting out the risky ones, the over-processed, high-oil or toxin-prone varieties, and replacing them with the right ones, you're giving your body a powerful nutritional upgrade. Think of it as gardening for your health, pruning the bad plants and nourishing the good. And the best part? It's a change you can make today, without fancy diets or supplements. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and subscribe for more senior health, wellness, and nutrition tips that make healthy living simple and a little fun too. We post new videos every week designed to help you feel better, move better, and live younger at any age. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which seed on this list surprised you the most? Or maybe you have your own favorite recipe, a smoothie, salad mix, or snack idea that keeps you feeling great. Drop it in the comments below. Your tip might inspire someone else to make a healthy change today. Thank you for watching till the end. Take care of yourself, keep growing, and remember, you're never too old to plant new seeds for better health. Small changes grow into lasting results, and your next great chapter might just start with a sprinkle.